sitting inside the Porsche GT4 RS.
A nigga ain't mad, no. I'm just trying to chase the cheese, bring it back to the hoe. I mean, back to the coast where I reside and they know. Be by my first name, not my nickname. I've been cruising for the bruising. Hope this crooning change the music.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Casino. We back with another video, man. Don't mind my saggy headliner, man. We gonna get it fixed one of these days. Gotta figure out what material to get and just gotta do it. And you see it's getting kind of bad, honestly. It's getting very, very bad. I'm gonna have to get that fixed soon. But yeah, man, we'll get back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We had like 714 subscribers. Been slowing down a little bit. Your boy is getting out of the military. I got like 4 months left. Got 4 months left and I'm done, fully done. Yeah, man, it's been a long time, 6 years, and we finally done with this stuff. But yeah, man, that's why I've been kind of MIA a little bit, just been focusing on Instagram mainly because I just haven't been able to, I've been very busy. But yeah, man, today's video, like I said, we in E36. I think we're gonna take the car to the Porsche dealership just cause, you know what I'm saying? Starting a new chapter, I need some motivation. Finna go see what these Porsches is looking like, cause you know I want a GT3 RS in the future, one day, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we gonna go do that, man. Talk to y'all for a little bit. I just got me some new Hot Wheels. I'm gonna hang on the wall. Give y'all a little update of E36, what I got planned. Cutlass video coming soon. I'm gonna have a little story time about the Cutlass. But until then, man, enjoy the video, you know what I'm saying? Check out these Hot Wheels I got though. So I just picked up 3 new ones, you know what I'm saying? I got me a 96 Porsche Carrera, a little RX-7. You know, you can't go wrong with the Fox body. But yeah, man, I'm starting my little Hot Wheel wall though. I need to buy more thumbtacks so I can add these 3. But yeah, it's looking kind of nice. Just for a little update on the E36. If y'all follow my Instagram, y'all know I just got my ZF transmission. So we're getting ready for the manual swap. I haven't done nothing else to the exterior. I ain't got no new wheels or nothing like that. I did just get, like I said, the ZF transmission. I have my boy from London send me the pedal box. You know, I need the little clutch pedal because I think it's like maybe shaped differently for a right-hand drive. So my boy from London sent me one of these. I got a throttle body and I got my M50 manifold. We're gonna do this too, but I know I gotta tune it afterwards. So I'm kind of holding off on that. I'm gonna get my conversion kit thing from, I don't know if I should get it from, I think it's Beamer World. I think that's a website. Or there's one on, there's another website where they sell them, but I don't know which one's better. One's more expensive, but you know, that don't always mean it's better. So I'm gonna see. I really been just trying to do little maintenance things here and there. Just trying to keep the longevity of the car, you know what I'm saying? And I want it to drive really good. I changed out my Vanos line. I got Chase Bay Vanos line. I did a whole little reel on Instagram about it. I'll add that in here real quick.
In a Honda, switch the Benzes, still friends, still I get it. No direction, still we face it. Got your patience, cause I need it. More than ever, more than ever, more than ever. Probably thought we was finished, yeah. Now we sipping stuff. Gotta bend the moment, gotta bend the love. Gotta bend the moment, gotta bend the rush. Gotta bend it, yeah. Take a minute, and you listen. Do my poetic aesthetic. Most of these niggas get caught up in living. Who's him and sinning, that venom is healing. The eve I step in a puddle next to the Greyhound. Probably need Greyhound just to get back. I whistling the last shit like even slave. Like still a party can get to another.
But I swapped out this little sensor right here, temperature sensor. It was all corroded and rusted and stuff. I'm about to get my valve cover gasket or whatever it's called. The gasket that goes around all this. I'm gonna get a new one of those, swap that out, because I definitely need to swap it. I'm about to get the Dynon carbon fiber Dynon intake. I'm gonna get that thing. It's gonna look nice in there. Yeah, that's all pretty soon. I'm gonna do that pretty soon. But my next big thing I'm doing on the car, besides the manual swap, I'm about to change out my rotors, brake pads obviously, and I'm gonna either take my calipers off and like refresh them, clean them up, paint them, or I'm gonna just buy new ones. I really want a big brake kit, but I don't really need it because I ain't got that much power to where I need a big brake kit. And I want to change out my brake lines, get steel braided lines, because I guess those are better. I'm gonna attempt to do all this stuff myself so I can save some money. I got some lower control arm bushings because mine are Dunzo. I don't know, I forget the name. I don't know how to say it. Garagistic? I don't know how to say it. But yeah, I'll tag it in the description though, where I got it from. But I got some polyurethane, however you say it. I got some of those bushings. I guess they're better, durable. And I got the 95A because it's for like hard street driving / track. Obviously, I'm not tracking this thing, but I do intend to put more power in this thing. So why not just get what I need earlier? I'm obviously not gonna wear these out if I'm not driving too hard. So I'm gonna get 95 for all my bushings, because when I do put more power in this, I want this to be, you know, good. So yeah, that's that, man. But yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna hop in the car and we finna jet to the Porsche dealership. It's right around the corner. We gonna see some good, dope whips, get some motivation. I almost forgot what's on the feet though. I got the Supreme little fanny. And you know we got the Supreme Air Max joints to match. And we got the designer water in the glass bottle. Yes, sir. I really need to change my rotors and brake pads. If y'all know of any brand that's good, let me know, because I'm stuck. I've seen like Brembo and like all that stuff. One of my boys on Instagram, he went with EBC or something like that. So yeah, let me know. I'm not gonna suffer today. We're gonna turn that AC on. Like I said, my AC works. I just never really use it because I feel like it makes my car run funny. I could just be tripping, but if y'all got an older car and y'all use AC, does it make your car run kind of weird? Or am I the only one? Yeah. And as you can hear it, my car is really loud. I got coilovers. I didn't go the route I should have went. I should have went BC or like KW or something like that, but I was balling on a budget at the time and I really wanted my car to be sitting a little bit lower. So we went ahead and, you know, got some, forget the name of them, to be honest. They look nice though, but they don't sound too nice. It's really just for the look though. One of these days, I'm gonna swap it out and get some good ones. But for now, we rocking with the cheap things just for the look. All right, y'all, we just got here. Don't know where to park at because there's not really too much parking. But just talked to this dude in his Porsche. He's telling me how he has an E36 track car and he built it all up for the track specifically. Yeah, I chopped it up with him for a little bit. Yeah, I swear, bro, every BMW owner is a Porsche enthusiast, I'd say. Someone in the comments tell me how to fix this. I gotta literally like tap it. Tap, 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 tap. It's the only way this thing rolls up sometimes. All right, we out. As soon as we get here, this is the first thing I notice. The old Porsches are so clean.
lips and lips. I'm glaring at these emerald eyes, toes in the sand. Don't know how you're making me sin, but you're my medicine. I'm cold without you, feel like I need you, so come back to me. This emerald eyes, I know I've done wrong, let me make this right, won't fuck it up no more. This emerald eyes, I know I've done wrong, let me make this right, won't fuck it up no more. Now that all hit the screens.
So these are the first set of cars when you walk in. That's why the old ones look so much better. Targa. This interior is so clean. I didn't even know Porsche had a bike. It's a GT4. Which I like better, the GT4 or the GT3? The GT4 is clean. I like the GT3 though. With the carbon buckets. Bro, we're sitting inside the Porsche GT4 RS. I honestly wasn't sure if I could fit, but I got a lot of space in here. Yeah, I got hella space in here. I'm 6'3", so I thought I wasn't gonna fit, but I'm fitting pretty nice. What the girls be doing whenever they get into a nice car? Oh, that's nice. It's fire. That's how I'm trying to pull into my garage. Now this GT4 RS is way better. It has the carbon package on it, carbon hood. This is the carbon side mirrors. I don't know how to say that. I'm not gonna try. Oh, and it's a manual. No, it's not. It's both. Looks like a manual. This one is crazy. This Porsche Speedster is crazy. What y'all think this is going for?
There was this one first when I left, but I'm in the shop right now.
They brought me into the back.
This whole year, it's already August, about 4 in person.
Look at this Ferrari right here. Bro, there's so much motivation, man, to just level up, because these cars are not cheap. Tell you, they don't even put the price on these cars because they know. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, they let me sit in a Porsche. They brought me to the back. They seen the Beamer, so I think they was like, okay, he's a car guy. And I got the shirt on too. Holy crap, I don't even know which one this is. But yeah, man, it's fucking dope in here. Wifey wants one of these, but I'm telling her we're gonna get the X5M. Putting the head up out of here. I'm gonna put my car in the front, take some photos, a video. Y'all think I got the best car here or what? We're gonna get one more little video of this one. Thing is fucking clean. Black on black, so nice. And out of all these cars in here, which one would y'all take, man? Y'all going with the old school, y'all going with the GT4 RS, the GT3 I showed y'all. Y'all going with the truck. So many options in here. And they just told me that they're discontinuing the GT3 RS. No more 992s, which is crazy because that's an amazing car. So when I'm ready to buy one, that shit gonna be like $1 million. And I'm not buying it if it's that much. But yeah, we're finna hop into the beauty. Finna park it right in the middle, get a little video, a little photo, see if they can take a photo of me in front of it. And yeah, we're gonna call it a day. I know I ain't got no Porsche, but one day that's gonna be a Porsche right in front of the dealership though.